And we're back to learning Illustrator in a year, day 52. Let me show you the spiral tool right here. That's where the line segment tool is. Right click on this box. Make sure to have a stroke color set. If it's set to none, you might not see it. I'll go up with a weight, let's say to 5 points. This is like any other object, so you can transform it, rotate it. But when we left click drag, you can see we've got a couple of additional options, and these are accessible when we use the arrow keys. Up and down gives you more or less segments, and to the right will make it snap to this spiral. So it's more like a dense spiral in center and not so dense on the outside. And you can actually hold Control and then move the mouse while you hold the left click, and then you can adjust this, what I've called density, which is also called the decay. When you left click on a blank canvas, you get the menu, and here let us go over the parameters. The overall size is determined here by the radius. Then we go down to 200. Then we have two styles, which is simply just a mirror. So if I create two of the same, but with the different style, I've got some problems here selecting it, but you can see that here the spiral once goes clockwise and then counterclockwise. So this is simply an inversion, a mirror that you can access using these two style options. The segments, this is what I've adjusted using the arrow keys up and down, so you can make that longer. In center, let me zoom in here, and I've used 5 points, therefore it overlaps. But if I select it and then go down with the points, you can see this in center has now way more segments as the other one here. And as I've already mentioned, the decay, this is what I've called density earlier on. So 80% looks like this. Then we go down to 40% and you get a much smaller spiral. And 100%, this will make it a full circle, just like this. But the easiest to adjust the decay is, as I've shown you earlier, just left click drag and then hold Control and move the mouse a little bit while holding the left mouse button. And then you can see it actually being created in real time. And you can also see the 100% here when you have a full circle. And this is how you can use the spiral tool in Illustrator. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.